blockchain threads registry led by Technalia.
This is Santiago from Technalia. I'm going to talk about the development of the blockchain-based thread registry platform. First of all, I've prepared this slide to resume in a quick way the motivation of this component, which is to share information about different threats in real time. Once one hospital has been attacked, has received an attack, he can notice the rest of the hospitals that their systems are in danger, so they can shut down their system or can do anything that they need. I have prepared another slide to show well, the kind of implementation that we have prepared. We have used Hyperledger Fabric as a chosen blockchain technology, which is we have prepared a proof of concept with 4 organizations and 1 or 2 nodes per organization. We have tested first with 1 node and then with 2 nodes. We have prepared an architecture which is highly scalable, and all actors and nodes in the system are identified by using certificates, so they can interact with the system in a way that we guarantee non-repudiation and authorization, authentication of the users. We have developed a private blockchain, which is acting as a blockchain as a service. All connections are made using HTTPS. And we have used a single server with a virtual machine for the proof of concept. We have also developed a Swagger API, and we have tested this solution with Postman. And then I'm going to show the demonstration. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. This is the virtual machine we have prepared. And here we have the Postman software to test the blockchain-based thread registry. I've updated before a thread, so I can search. Here we have different methods for searching by thread ID, by property, by description. And here we have different methods for authenticating the different users in the blockchain. I'm going to first get a thread ID. I've uploaded before a thread, so it should be in the blockchain. So you can see the different fields here. You can see that we are storing the description, the priority of the thread, responsible parties, source of the thread, which will be a server or an IP address, okay, and the thread ID. I'm going to register a new thread for you to see how it can be done. It's just very easy. I can, for example, here write another thread ID, and for example, thread description with a minus. You are going to see now how. And then I register the thread. It takes some time. It's 200 code, so it has been submitted properly. And then if I can get thread by thread ID again, I could do it here by substituting the first number for the second one, or I can even search by description. The description field allows regular expressions. So here I've prepared this regular expression with a minus T and a minus T to thread. I think it's so it will search by all threads in the registry that have minus or minus T. So it's for you to see that the regular expressions is working properly. And of course, here we have it. We have the first result, which is the thread with the minus T, and the second one, which is the thread with minus T. And this is overall the thread registry. All these threads are shared in real time in the different nodes. And here we can define new users. We have created here a user for the CM, for the 3 hospitals, Hospital 1, Hospital 2, Hospital 3. We can add as many hospitals as we need. We can add as many users as we need. And we can create it here with the sign up method. And we then need to sign in the user to interact with the blockchain. If the user is not in the system, this kind of methods will return an error because the user is not currently authenticated. And that's all for my side.